management program runs inside an engineering campus, it usually changes how students learn. At Vidyavardhini College of Engineering and Technology in Maharashtra, the MMS program is built exactly on the intersection. Management with direct access to tech infrastructure. But there's more to it. So let's take a deeper look. The MMS is a 2-year full-time program affiliated with the University of Mumbai and approved by AICTE. Admissions are conducted through MAH, MMS or MBA CET along with scores from CAT, CMAT and ATMA. But beyond the structure, what defines it is how the system operates. Learning here goes beyond classroom theory. Being part of an engineering campus opens doors to technical labs, incubation support, and interdisciplinary experiences, which means management isn't taught separately. It's practiced alongside real, ongoing technical work. The curriculum follows the same approach. It is shaped with industry inputs and supports through live projects, industrial visits, and guest sessions. With more than 100 institutional collaborations, industry exposure becomes a continuous part of learning rather than a one-time activity. Batch size also plays a key role. With relatively smaller cohorts of 50 to 60 students per class, interaction with faculty is more direct and monitoring becomes more consistent across the 2 years. This structure reflects clearly on placement outcomes. Recruiters such as TCS, Berger Paints, Parley, and Janu Technologies have been part of the hiring ecosystem with the highest packages reaching up to around 7.5 lakh per annum, while the average package remains close to 4 lakh per annum. But placements here are not treated as a final stage activity. More importantly, students go through a mandatory internship cycle that includes a 2-month internship followed by on-the-job training, building familiarity with real-work environments before graduation. Alongside this, the program integrates skill-based certifications in tools such as Power BI, Advanced Excel, and digital marketing, ensuring that students graduate with applied tool-based skills. Taken together, the MMS at Vidyavardhini is not structured as a theory-first program. It runs as a progression, from classroom learning to application, from application to internships, and from there into final roles. Want to know more? Comment MMS in the comment section below.